Welcome to part 2 of the Ecwid Storefront. With the font type, if the font is not used on the website, then it won't be able to be used inside the widget. And that's because when the font is used on the website, Muse is automatically installing that font into the website. So if it's not already on the website, then that means that it's not installed. And so you can't tell the widget to use a font that isn't there. So for this example, I'm going to have to use the text that I would be using in the widget on the temporary site. So right now it's set to Aquafina script and bangers. If you notice there's a hyphen right here, any font that is more than one word will need to be connected with a hyphen. I'm going to show you what this looks like, and then I'll show you an example of me changing the font. So as you can see, it's using bangers, and then for the title font, it's using Aquafina script. Now I'll show you an example. Say we change this to Nixie 1, and let's change this one to Give You Glory. I'm going to change these so I can make sure that I'm getting the spelling right. Okay, so for the title font, I need to say Nixie 1. Then for the body font is Give You Glory. Alright, let's see how that looks in the browser. Alright, Give You Glory is being used, that's good. And then there's Nixie 1. So that's how you change the font types. Now, the heading, that's referring to the title. And so that's the size 36. It's the size of that font right there. Then the item labels, that's referring to this right here. It's also referring to the category labels. So that right there. The main description font, it's set to 16. So that's this right here. But if you notice, this is a little bit bigger. And that's because we made it so that if you wanted to make the font size bigger inside Ecwid, then we made it possible for you to do that. So the normal font, we have it set to dark gray or black. So that's right there, and just about everything else. Then the price font, we have it set to green. Ugh. So there it is up there. And right there. And then link font, we have that set to blue. So that is referring to these right here. And then if you add any links inside the text, so this right there. Then the in-stock label. That's that right there. So you can change that color to whatever you want. That's part 2 of styling the Ecwid storefront.